Welcome dear aspirants. In order to continue chemical properties of benzene, some information is already taken. This is another one. Mechanism of nitration of benzene may be asked in the examination, and this mechanism is an example of electrophilic substitution. Next, here what are the three steps involved? First of all, the general equation is to be taken. Yes, benzene reacted with nitration. The nitration mixture is concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid. The combination is known as, both are concentrated. The combination 50 to 60 degrees centigrade temperature is to be maintained, as one of the hydrogens replaced by NO2 group from HNO3, yes, and from HNO3 OH and this hydrogen removed as H2O, and this is nitrobenzene. To this reaction, how is the reaction taking place? By writing steps in sequence known as mechanism. Yes, the first step is formation of electrophile. Yes, formation or generation of electrophile. This is a crucial step and fast step, as nitric acid HONO2 S plus sulfuric acid H2SO4, right? H2SO4 here donating proton. Yes, it is a proton donor, and these electrons of oxygen inviting this hydrogen, so it is proton acceptor. Proton acceptor is base, Bronsted base. This is Bronsted acid. Then this is acid base equilibrium, then it becomes OH, and this hydrogen is also, and oxygen got positive charge NO2, and H2SO4 becomes HSO4 minus. This is further decomposed to give as H2O is completely removed, and NO2 plus is, and its name is nitronium ion. Right? Yes, this is first step, formation of electrophile. Second step is formation of arenaceous ion, nothing but carbocation after attacking of NO2 plus electrophile. So these pi electrons shifted here, we are assuming, and here a negative charge. This negative charge invites NO2 plus. Then we got, this is cyclohexane structure, and the bonds, this is undisturbed, this bond is undisturbed, and it is disappeared. This carbon acquires positive charge, and this hydrogen, what is introduced newly, NO2, and carbon with positive charge is known as aluminum ion, which is stabilized by resonance. Right, this step is a slow step. The slow step in chemical kinetics known as rate determining step will be studied in the second year without fail. So after this formation of, and here aromaticity of the ring is lost, and in order to retain aromaticity, this H is removed, and these sigma electrons are delocalized in the next step. That is a loss of proton is the next one. So the third step is removal of proton or loss of proton. Removal of proton or loss of proton. Copy the same thing. Yes. Yes, this is the old bond undisturbed, this is old bond undisturbed, here positive charge, here hydrogen, here NO2 group plus, yes, what is the one? HSO4 minus is playing a role here, and it subtracts hydrogen like this. It is removed, sorry, without bonding electrons removed, and these pi electrons, these sigma bonded electrons are delocalized into that one, and aromatic ring is resulted, is the driving force, and which is faster. So here a pi bond is produced, and here NO2 there plus H2SO4. Yes, it is a fast step. And what is the driving force of this one? Yes, CET. Driving force of the step is, driving force of the step is, yes, retain of aromaticity. This will be discussed very soon. Aromaticity, no problem at all. Yes, finally, yes, how do we understand the formation of electrophiles? AlCl3 take 1Cl becomes AlCl4 minus, and this Cl with this Cl without bonding electrons, and this is known as chloronium ion, already recorded. Chloronium ion is the electrophile. In nitration mixer, already we observed in the previous case, and what is observed? H2O plus, HSO4 minus, and NO2 plus. What is NO2 plus? Nitronium ion. Nitronium ion. Yes, in this case, what is observed? In this case, H3O plus HSO4 minus ion and SO3. Yes, this is direct name, no need of this one. Yes, Cl and AlCl3 becomes AlCl4 plus, and what is produced? Carbocation CH3 plus. Methyl carbocation. Of course, carbonium ion is a older word. Yes. AlCl3 plus Cl becomes AlCl4 minus, as usual, AlCl4 minus, and this becomes CH3 C double bond O plus acetyl carbocation. Its name is acetyl. Yes, this is acetyl carbocation. This we have to use in the examination without fail, and prepare well in this case. So next topic is direct influence of a functional group or a substrate in monosubstituted benzene. Already benzene with one substrate, and it inviting second electrophile at which position, that is here to be discussed, which is very important and useful in the secondary discussions. Right, if you take a phenol as an example, already one substrate is present, that is a OH group, and this OH group oxygen has two lone pair of electrons according to Lewis dot structure, two lone pair of electrons. As they start delocalization due to resonance, these electrons are shifted between O and C, and these CC pi bonding electrons are shifted in this manner, and it is participate in resonance. Yes, draw the same structure. Yes, here this pi bond is undisturbed, this pi bond is undisturbed, this pi bond is disturbed, then the electrons are shifted here, it got negative charge, and between carbon and oxygen a double bond is resulted. By donating electron pair, oxygen acquires positive charge. This you have to maintain. Yes, after this, and here it is negative charge. This lone pair electrons start delocalization in this manner, these are dispersed in between these two carbons, and these electrons are shifted here and go for another resonating structure. As in this one, this cyclohexane ring like this bond is undisturbed, and here double bond O H plus charge, then here a new pi bond is resulted, and here lone pair electrons are shifted, bond pair electrons are shifted here, and negative charge is there. As it is further delocalized, then these electrons are distributed, these are shifted in this manner. And how do we write? As usual, cyclohexane ring, double bond O H plus charge, then here old bond, a new bond is between these two carbons, and this bond is disappeared. Here two electrons are migrated of the pi bond, and negative charge is discharged. Then these are here delocalized, and these are coming on that one, and you got the original position. This is structure 1, structure 2, structure 3, structure 4, and structure 5 similar to structure 1 with a different orientation of pi bonds. Observe, you can easily catch the point. Yes, this is O double bond H plus becomes OH, and a new bond is disturbed, is here designed. As old bonds are this one old bond, this one old bond. Observe the difference between structure 1 and structure 5. Structure 1, a pi bond between OH and this C, and single bond here, and here single bond, here a double bond, like that. The double bonds, pi bonds are simply rotating inside this one, will be explained very soon with the help of molecular orbital theory. Yes. Now, where is the negative charge located in this resonating structure? Structure 2, structure 3, structure 4. In these structures, where is negative charge located? As negative charge is located at second position. If it is a first carbon, yes, for your better understanding, as OH is taken. Yes, I would like to write a continuous pi bond, and where is a why? Because double bond single bond character not there, and it is partial double bond character, as like this. It is resonance hybrid, and where is negative charge? At this one dou minus, and at this one here it is dou plus, here it is dou minus, dou minus. What are these positions? Suppose OH bearing carbon is number 1 carbon, this is number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, with respect to one position of one substituent, other one is at second one, that is known as benzene ring. Two substituents side by side, benzene ring, two substituents alternate, and benzene ring, two substituents at opposite positions. So these are AB, these are AB, these are AB. These positions are named as it is ortho position, and this is 1-3 position, 1-3 position. This is 1-2 position. This is 1-3 position, known as meta alternate positions. As you can take this one and this one alternate, this one alternate, this one alternate. As any combination you can take. And here in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 1/4 positions known as para position. So here electrophile is here, electrophile is electron deficient. This is ready to attack on second carbon, fourth carbon, or sixth carbon. So this OH group is directing new electrophile on benzene ring at which position? At ortho position and at para position. So this is known as, right, after this explanation, right, groups like OH, OR, alkyl groups, halogen, amines, etc. What are these groups? These groups are making benzene ring electron rich. Make benzene ring electron rich at which positions? Second, fourth and sixth positions. So these are called, these are ortho para directing groups towards electrophilic substitution, reactions. I hope you followed this one. Yes. Why are these ortho para directing groups? So these are also known as, these are also called electron donating groups. Electron donating groups. Simple one, electron donating group. So remember in this manner and enjoy the information. And example, how to understand this one with the help of example. For example, if you take a phenol is treated with chlorination. Yes, chlorination. As generally in the presence of iron is not required. Just phenol is sufficient to ionize the Cl2 as Cl plus and Cl minus. And this Cl plus here, this Cl plus is the electrophile attack at which position? Yes, answer is same benzene ring, OH is undisturbed, and this is a Cl, like already one child to the parent and second child is coming, second child is invited by the first one with love or some repulsions like that, because quarreling is also happening, and this is as at second position plus at which position? Yes, at fourth position. This is your answer, but not third position. Alternate positions are there. So what are these two positions? One is ortho position, this is ortho, so its name is ortho or 2-chlorophenol. Second year definitely you will learn all these things. This is para, shortcut P, chlorophenol. Okay, right, enjoy in this manner. Right, how to understand another type as groups like NO2 nitro group, CHO aldehyde, CO ketone group, COH carboxylic acid, CO or ester groups. These are the groups present on benzene ring. Then they are electron withdrawing groups which are known as which make benzene ring deactivate a benzene ring and invite a new electrophile at alternate position, that is meta position. You can easily understand by taking a simple example. As take nitrobenzene is a best example. Nitrobenzene. Yes, this is nitrobenzene. Yes, what is the influence of NO2 group on benzene ring? These electrons of NO first shifted and nitrogen acquires positive charge, oxygen negative charge. As this positive charge is nullified by dragging electrons, pi electrons from benzene ring. And what is resulted? Yes, the structure is copied. This pi bond is disappeared between N and O double bond. As this nitrogen now acquires by taking electrons positive charge, NO becomes single bond negative charge, and this is another O. This is another O with day 2 bond, and here old bond, and at this new corner what is the charge produced? Positive charge. Yes, next one is same benzene ring you have to draw, double bond N draw, day 2 bond O, double bond single bond O, O becomes minus and N is plus charge. Yes, and here this pi electron, this positive charge is nullified by shifting of electrons of this pi bond between here and this corner acquires positive charge and a new pi bond, old pi bond. This is undergo resonance. Resonance means the relative positions of atoms not changed. Sigma and pi electrons are changed. Sigma pi electrons lone pairs are changed and positions are changed, but they are in the same number. That is the condition of resonance. Yes, what you have to write? Same benzene ring, double bond N plus charge. Yes, O minus, and it is day2 bond O. And here this is a previously formed bond, and where are these electrons are shifted here in order to compensate this positive charge. Here new positive charge is produced and a new pi bond is here produced, and it is, yes, it is resonance structure 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Yes, fifth one is getting of the final one. Yes, once again these pi electrons are shifted here and it is positive charge is nullified and these are shifted here. Then you got the first structure, but the position of, as here single bond, double bond becomes single bond, as these are, and newly formed bond is this one, and it is N single bond and double bond O, day2 bond O. First and fifth are same, correct, but the position of pi bonds in the ring is different. That will be explained very soon, don't bother. And you observe 3 resonating structures, 2, 3, 4, and where is positive charge here? Previously negative charge is observed, now positive charge is observed. See here, due to OH group positive charge, negative charges appeared at second position, fourth position, sixth position, but here positive charge is negated. Why positive charge? Because of electron withdrawing group. It is because of electron donating. The pi electrons are delocalized here and it is shifted here. So in this manner you have to observe, and what is noticed in the resonance structure. In this resonance hybrid, where is the positive charge located? Yes, positive charge located at second position, at fourth position, at second position, at fourth position, and at sixth position. So this is number 1 carbon, number 2 carbon, right? Positive charge is located in. Therefore electrophile want to come. Yes, 1, 2, third position, fourth position, fifth position, and sixth position. So at these positions electrophile is electron deficient, not possible to attack on second position, fourth position, and sixth position, not possible. So the relatively which position are possible? Third position and fifth position is relatively there, but there is no particular negative charge, that is relative positions when compared to positive charges. That's why the electrophile attacks on. Yes, now take down nitrobenzene undergo chlorination in the presence of iron or AlCl3. As how do you understand this? Yes, where is this Cl plus? What is the electrophile here formed between these two? AlCl3, Cl2. Yes, AlCl3 plus Cl2. What is produced? AlCl4 minus plus Cl plus. This Cl plus attacked on which position? Yes, this is number 1 carbon for your better understanding. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, second carbon observe here. In this case, second carbon, fourth carbon, sixth carbon. Positive charge is located. So here positive charge, here positive charge, here positive charge. So therefore this Cl plus not possible to attack on these positive charges. Okay, these are not permitted. Then what is the correct one? The correct one is yes, this is the position and this is the position, relatively possible, and the product is yes, the product is as usual NO2 written and Cl may be attacked on this one, and its name is yes, as for your better understanding, first carbon, second, third, as per nomenclature, chlorine Cl, nitro N, lowest number given to Cl, so its name is 1 chloro as 3 nitro benzene is produced, but not second position and fourth position, this will not be formed. So NO2 group is a dash directing group. 1 chloro 3 nitro benzene is the product, will be repeated in the second year, all these things. So prepare well, dear students. Now observe, so groups like NO2, CHO, CO, NO2 nitro group, CHO aldehyde, CO carbonyl group, that is a ketone group, carboxylic acid group, and this is ester group. All these are withdrawing electrons from the benzene ring, pulling electrons from the benzene ring and deactivate benzene ring and generate or develop positive charge at second, fourth, sixth positions. Whereas electron donating groups like OH, electron donating groups like OH, that is alcohol, ethers, alkyl groups, halogens, amines, these are such groups making the benzene ring by donating electrons due to resonance and make benzene ring more electronegative. Benzene ring is electron rich here, benzene ring is electron deficient, so the electrophile is formed here, electrophile attached here at third position, that is meta directing groups. So what are two groups? Ortho, para, meta directing groups. Observe this information, which of the following is a meta directing group? Meta directing group, yes, from previous knowledge, this is electron donating group and this is also electron donating group, and it is also electron donating group due to polarization of sigma bond electrons, plus I effect, this is plus M effect or plus R effect, and this is plus M effect or plus R effect. Yes, this is. Now this is NO2 group and it is withdrawing electrons from the benzene ring, and it is electron withdrawing group, and electron withdrawing group is meta directing, and the remaining three are A, B and D are electron donating groups, and they are ortho, para directing groups. This you have to practice. Okay, good luck, dear students.